Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. MissBT here. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I am back and we are starting off 2018 with a fresh, clean kitchen, y'all. It is so important. So I am just gonna light my candle. I always like to light my candle before I start to clean, but this one is Coastal Scents by Bath & Body Works. First things first, unload the dishwasher. So we actually hosted for New Year's Eve, so a lot of these dishes were from New Year's Eve, of course, and so now I'm just gonna unload everything and start to put everything away. Is anyone else like a heavy dishwasher user? I am. I mean, my mom hates dishwashers, but nobody has time to wash everything, right? But anyways, so I'm just going through and I'm putting everything away. I am so excited for 2018, you guys. Like, it's ridiculous. We hope to get our kitchen redone this year. We bought our home inventory, so we didn't get a chance to really pick everything in our house. It was kind of like near the ending stages, so the kitchen was already set in stone outside of the stove. So we're excited to kind of put our own little stamp on the kitchen, so hopefully that gets done. But in the meantime, I do love it and don't have anything to complain about. But you guys don't judge me. You see how many tumblers I have? Yeah, that's not even half. Okay, so let's hop into the nitty gritty. So I am going to start washing these freaking dishes. It is just Bear and I, but for whatever reason, we produce hella dishes, y'all. So does anybody else like clean their sink before they wash dishes? Yes, I do not like washing dishes in dirty sinks. So I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to clean it. That is not the same sponge that I use for my dishes, so do not worry. But I'm just going to clean both sides of the sink, actually. It is just kind of weird for me. I always have to organize my dishes and organize the sink before I start doing everything. So that is what I'm doing there. Just went ahead and did that to both sides, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a light wash on all my dishes, dumping it through that hot water. I'm a heavy Dawn user too, so I'm totally that girl, that little kid that when she learned how to wash dishes, like, I use way too much. Yeah, that was me. So as you can see, I've loaded the dishwasher, but I'm trying to figure out how to put this freaking jet dry in there. Like, y'all, I hope I did it right. So for our dishwasher, we like to use Cascade Complete and Finish Rinse Aid Jet Dry. And my little cleaning partner today, he's just so helpful. Alright, so this is the other part. So like I said, we did host New Year's Eve, so we had a couple of bottles hanging around. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean the sink off now that all the dishes are loaded in the dishwasher. I just like to go back through and clean everything. You know, you get all that kind of soap scum and build up there. So I use Method, so you'll probably see me use that throughout this entire video. That's what I'm spraying on my countertops, is Method. I typically get that from either H-E-B or Target, but I'll show you guys a little later in the video. Alright, so now I'm going to head over to the rest of my counter space. So I use, as you can see, that little yellow cloth there. That is actually a microfiber cloth, and I use that on my countertops and all of my surfaces in the kitchen. I don't want to scratch up anything, so it's just easier for me to do that. And as you can see, I switch cloths, so I don't use the same cloth with my typical cleaning solution as I do with my stainless steel cleaning solution. So I'll show you guys everything that I use, but I do make sure that I use that microfiber cloth on all of my surfaces. So we actually, our refrigerator, well, really all of our appliances in the kitchen get handprints and fingerprints really, really easily. We don't have like the appliances, the fancy ones, you know, that have the fingerprint free, so gotta clean it. And oh, my favorite part, sweeping. Alright, so now that I have my rugs back down, I'm going to move over into the dining room area and start to clean up over there. So I'm just taking my method, and again, that same kind of just surface cloth, and I am going through and I'm cleaning the table, and I'm also just doing a light wipe down on my chairs. We have cloth chairs and we kind of regret it because they get stains. But I was feeling like I needed to switch up a little bit, so I have pillows all over this house, so I just went ahead and switched out some pillows with my front room and put them into the breakfast area. So now it just feels a little bit lighter, more fresh with smaller pillows. So that was just something I decided to do. Sometimes I change my mind. But here are the cleaning products that I use on a daily basis. I use this glass cleaner. This is what I pretty much clean any of my glass with that is in the kitchen, like the microwave front, things like that. This, what is it, Weiman? You guys can read. Stainless steel is what I use on all of my appliances. And then my favorite all-purpose cleaner, Method All-Purpose. It is non-toxic, which is awesome to use in the kitchen, and it definitely does the job on this granite countertop. So yeah, and then as I mentioned several times before, these are the microfiber cloths that I use, and I just get like packs of them from anywhere. So yeah, I am so excited, all done, and I don't even think it took me that long. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.